Alright. Okay, now Journey, where's the dice? Make me proud. Good job. A big hand for Journey. As a SPP, thank you. Please come to the front first. Hi, Nikki. As a gift from Papa, thank you for your participation. A big hand for Nikki, our volunteer. As Journey, our green macaw. Now, macaws have eyesight 7 times sharper than human beings. As Journey has no trouble finding the dice. Now please welcome our very smart bird. The name is Smarty, our blue and gold macaw. For Smarty, we are going to test his IQ in calculation. We are going to give him 2 numbers to add up. The first number comes from his trainer, Mr. Casino, and the second number comes from the audience. But the total must not be more than 15. 1, 5. Is that clear enough? Okay. Now Smarty, test the bell first. Alright, can you guys all the way back there hear the bell? Good. Okay, can I have the first number? 6. Now 6 plus 7. Shall we go with 7? Okay, let's go with 7. Now Smarty. Very easy. 6 plus 7. Let's count these together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Alright, good job, Smarty. One more time. Okay, now let's do this one more time as per Mr. Casino request. Can I have the first number? 7. Now 7 plus 8. Shall we go with 8? Okay? Looks like nobody wants to respond. Shall we go with 8?
Yes.
Okay? Alright, let's go with 8. Now 7 plus 8. Very easy. Let's count these together. Alright, good job, Smarty. Now, Smarty, please go back and do more homework. Alright, excellent job. A big hand for Smarty here, our very smart bird. Thank you, Smarty. Now, we have come to the last performance for today. And what I have a dustbin and some scraps. Now, although we would like to entertain everyone, we would also like to educate. And the most important thing is to respect wildlife. So please welcome our last performer for today. His name is Q, our blue and gold macaw. Now Q is going to show you where those scraps belong. Okay, Q? Okay, pick up the first one. Good, bye. Now the second one, Q. Good job. Now last one, Q. Bring all the way back here. Excellent. Thank you, our blue and gold macaw. Now we have come to the end of our show. I would like to introduce you to the trainers that made this show possible. Now on my right hand side here is Mr. Kyle with Q.